samurai when I was a young natress.
Mary, teach me!
How the hell did you do that?
Look, Mary, this course was shit. I learned nothing from this shit, and I'll just tell you one thing I've learned from this, that I'm not going to recycle at all, and I'm just going to smoke until the ozone layer's gone, and you don't understand me!
Recycle, 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 Mother Nature needs the rest. Show a bit of chest. Bluebirds suddenly appear every time you want me. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Well, that's another one gone. It's a shame he had to go, isn't it? He's gone. Yeah, you get the picture. He's gone. And if any of you bastards want to come in here and take over, you bloody well can, because I trained him good. Fucking lesbian-ass shitface. Corn on the cob! Oh, I've got a little tip for you guys. A bit of shoe attack. Well, you see, these were my old pair of shoes. They're quite stylish, and I grew out of them. And what you can do when you grow out of them is you could recycle them, or you could keep them and use them for your hands. See? Not much movement inside. You can't really wriggle around like a wriggly worm, but you can hit things and stroke things. Oh, it's so big and wonderful. Just look at it. Just so get some attention. Pleasure, oh my... I got a bit excited and pooed my pants. Just look at the tree. Just look at the tree. And someone stop the camera. I'm getting orgasms again. Stop the camera! I want you to stop the camera! No, you're only dead to the corn! You bastard! I'm feeling very horny now. Stop it! Stop the camera! Hello! This is a tree, and you've got to help the trees, because if you don't... You'll die! Yes. And if you die, then you will help the trees survive. I just get annoyed sometimes when people don't think. Save the trees.